Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Welcome back to Technical Explorations. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon for more technical updates. Today, we are exploring how AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From smartphones to healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. So let's dive into how AI is changing the world around us. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI refers to machines designed to mimic human intelligence that can perform tasks such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and translating languages. Actually, there are two main types of artificial intelligence. Number one, narrow artificial intelligence or narrow AI is also known as weak artificial intelligence is a type of AI designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks operating under a limited range of capabilities. On the other hand, general AI AGI artificial general intelligence refers to a type of AI that possesses the ability to understand, learn and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks much like human intelligence without being limited to a specific domain. Key concepts like machine learning, where computers learn from data, and neural networks, which are modeled after the human brain, are at the heart of AI's capabilities. So, AI is all around us, starting with our personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, which uses natural language processing to understand and respond to our commands. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatments. In finance, AI algorithms help detect fraudulent activities and automate trading processes, making it efficient and more secure. In the business world, AI is transforming industries. Automation and robotics are streamlining manufacturing processes, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Customer service is becoming more efficient with AI chatbots that provide instant support. AI driven data analytics are empowering businesses to make informed decisions by uncovering insights from vast amounts of data. The benefits of AI are immense. It increases the productivity and efficiency, allowing us to accomplish more with fewer resources. From smarter cities to better healthcare outcomes, AI offers a wealth of opportunities to improve our lives. Despite its potential, AI also presents challenges. Job displacement due to automation is a significant concern, as machines take over the tasks traditionally performed by humans. Looking ahead, AI is poised to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges, from healthcare to climate change. Emerging trends like explainable AI and human AI collaboration will shape the future, ensuring that the AI technologies are transparent and work alongside humans. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming our world, offering incredible benefits while presenting new challenges. As we navigate through this technological revolution, it is important to consider both the opportunities and the ethical implications. So, what do you think about the role of AI in our lives? Kindly share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative and enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.